Hi everybody, it's Thomas here, and today we're going to be discussing the fastest way to charge your iPhone and comparing each of the different Apple chargers available to see which one charges your iPhone the fastest. Now, the best way to charge your iPhone is to use the phone during the day, then plug it into a low wattage charger, but be sure not to drain the battery completely as this is not very good for it. Now, Apple has several chargers available to charge your iPhone, and each has different properties. So they have a MagSafe charger for use on the newer iPhone 12 models, as well as a USB-C power adapter, actually multiple USB-C power adapters of varying different wattages, which can connect to the phone via the lightning port to fast charge iPhones. The fastest way to charge an iPhone is with these USB-C power adapters, but which one works the best? One would think that the higher the wattage the power adapter is capable of delivering, the faster that power adapter is going to charge your iPhone. But that's actually false. iPhones use smart power management techniques to prolong the life of your iPhone battery, so they limit how fast your phone can charge. Now, I ran tests to see which one of Apple's chargers works the fastest, and was not surprised by these results. So for my tests, I opened all sorts of apps and used the phone like normal during the day to drain the battery. Then I plugged the phone into a respective charger, plotted the charge levels at 15-minute intervals, and what I found was that the MagSafe wireless charger was by far the slowest, taking over 3 hours to charge the iPhone to 100%. The USB-C adapters, while charging faster in the beginning on the higher wattage adapters compared to the lower wattage ones, show a curved graph indicating that the iPhone is using software to slow down the battery charge as it reaches a higher percent, and they all reached 100% charge at around the same time, 105 minutes, which was pretty fast considering I was doing these tests using the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has one of the biggest batteries that an iPhone has. Now, this makes sense because fast charging is honestly quite stressful for a battery, and while it isn't too bad when the battery is closer to empty, as it fills up, it becomes worse to charge a battery at a higher speed, and so we're simply seeing Apple trying to counteract this by dynamically adjusting the charging speed. So to conclude this test, the fastest and most economic way to charge your iPhone in general is with Apple's 20-watt USB-C power adapter and a lightning cable. While this adapter may not always have the fastest speed during the first half of charging, it quickly evens out and reaches 100% around the same time as its higher wattage, higher priced competitors. However, faster charging isn't always the greatest thing you can do for your phone battery, so the slower MagSafe charger does have an edge there. Keep in mind, none of these chargers are included with your phone because of the environment. So the cheaper option, the 20-watt USB-C charger, will run you at about $20. Now, one thing you should definitely do when charging your iPhone with any of these chargers is enable optimized battery charging. This can be easily done in settings, battery health, and it essentially works by learning your phone usage habits to better charge your device to prolong your iPhone battery life and keep your iPhone battery healthy. Now, if you'd like to learn more about your iPhone battery and what you can do to better charge your iPhone, keep your iPhone battery healthy and make it last longer, and some iPhone charging myths, let me know by dropping a like and commenting your questions, and I'll publish and link a new video in the description soon answering some of your questions. Now, I hope you learned something today, and have a great day. Bye.